what's wrong. Something isn't right. I feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone, and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fear. Still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes. Wondering what should I do.
If you like my videos here at Herkimer Random, please like and subscribe. I'll be showing